Hey guys, so in this episode, I'm going to be talking about 5 exciting growth stocks under $10 that you guys should put on your watch list. Now, the channel is dedicated towards finding the next multi-bagger, so I spent a lot of time researching a whole bunch of different stocks. The stocks on this list are really exciting and have a lot of growth potential, so I think you guys are going to like this one. So with that, let's dive right into it. Alright, so the first company on this list is going to be Planet 13. Now, Planet 13 is an MJ company that cultivates, produces, distributes, and markets MJ and MJ products for medical and retail MJ markets in Nevada. It operates dispensaries that provide MJ, but in addition, the company provides cardholder process navigation services, individual consultations, compassionate care programs, patient education services, express services, and home delivery services. The company offers its products under the Planet 13, Medicine, Trendy, Leaf and Vine, Haha, and Dreamland Chocolates brands. Planet 13 Holdings is headquartered in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, Planet 13 is really exciting because they're trying to be a very high-end luxury dispensary. Now, when I think of them, I think of the Disneyland of MJ, as they do everything from selling their products, but they also have fun and engaging experiential activities that makes it a hot destination for people from all over to go and experience themselves. Now, they're a vertically integrated business, and they own the world's largest MJ store, steps from the Las Vegas Strip. Their Planet 13 MJ Entertainment Complex was a winner of Leafly's 2018 Nevada Dispensary of the Year, which offered unparalleled customer experience focused on unique interactive entertainment and some of the best MJ products offered anywhere in the US. The Planet 13 Superstore acts as a showcase for a growing portfolio of branded products, including vapes, edibles, pre-rolls, and concentrates. Planet 13's ambition is to operate ultra high-end dispensaries in Tier 1 markets nationwide and to sell their brands Medicine, Trendy, and Leafine in both their branded stores and wholesale. So not only are they the largest dispensary, but they have a ton of fun experiential activities that lend to a lot of people, especially tourists who come to Vegas wanting to go to. They have a ton of their own brands, which are all premium quality, which they plan on not only selling in their own superstores, but also wholesale all across the US. Now, as of right now, they only have one superstore in Las Vegas. However, the really exciting thing is that they just announced earlier this month that they've received all building permits and have begun the construction of their Orange County MJ Superstore Entertainment Complex. Now, this is a huge milestone for them as this taps into a huge industry. As we all know, California is legal on both recreation and medical basis. So being in Orange County serves as a huge hub for a whole bunch of different new patients. Now, Planet 13 is sitting around a $1.2 billion market cap. And it's clear to see, looking at their financials, how fast they've been growing in the past few years. Now, year over year, they're seeing around 200% revenue growth, which is very exciting for a company that's still in its early stages. Now, Planet 13 is trading around a 15 price to sales. However, looking at the future opportunity and growth for this company, it's hard not to get excited for their long-term prospects. Now, next on this list, we have another company working in this space, and it's Jushi Holdings. Now, Jushi is an MJ company engaging in the cultivation, processing, retail, and distribution of medical and adult use products. It focuses on building a portfolio of branded MJ in various jurisdictions in Pennsylvania, Virginia, Ohio, Illinois, California, and Nevada. So they're all across the US, and they're expanding rapidly. The company operates 11 retail locations under Beyond Hello retail brand, which includes 8 medical dispensaries and 2 adult use dispensaries. Now, later this year, they're planning on expanding 8 different retail locations in Pennsylvania, as well as 5 in Virginia. Now, Jushi is a vertically integrated multi-state MJ operator, and later last year, they just announced plans to nearly double their square footage of their subsidiary grower-processor facility in Scranton, Pennsylvania, from approximately 90,000 square feet to more than 160,000 square feet. Jushi is continuing to bolster its vertically integrated operations, which in the long run will help them continue to scale while doing so with less operating expenses. Now, Jushi is currently sitting under a $1 billion market cap, around $840 million, and they have a price of sales around 13. Now, the real exciting thing is how fast they're growing. Now, their year-on-year revenue growth is growing at 600%. So this company is growing extremely fast and is going to continue focusing on further continued growth. Now, I recently just put out an episode where I actually went to the only dispensary in California. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link that on the top right for you guys as I break down exactly what Jushi is all about and show you guys a bit of what the store looks like. So next, we're going to be talking about another industry that's been seeing a lot of demand recently, and it's the plant-based food industry. Now, the plant-based product sector is growing rapidly on the back of key issues such as increased greenhouse gas emissions and increased pressure on land and water usage during the production of animal protein. This has really opened a great opportunity for plant-based products such as meat substitutes, dairy alternatives, and plant-based eggs. Now, sales for plant-based meat have actually exploded as the pandemic disrupted business as usual. Now, some of the reasons people are moving to eating plant-based meat is because 1, it's healthier, 2, it's better for the environment, and 3, for moral and ethical reasons. Now, the next stock on this list is the Very Good Food Company. Now, the Very Good Food Company is a plant-based food technology company which designs, develops, produces, distributes, and sells a variety of plant-based meat and other food alternatives. It offers burgers and bangers, as well as pepperoni, ribs, taco stuffers, roast beef, steak, and stuffed breast products, and seasonal specialty and special order products such as holiday ham and bacon. Now, the company offers its products under the Very Good Butchers brand. It sells products through its wholesale and e-commerce stores, as well as butcher shops. The company was formerly known as the Very Good Butchers Inc. and changed its name to the Very Good Food Company in late 2019. They were incorporated in 2016, and they're headquartered in Victoria, Canada. Now, the Very Good Butchers has very strong branding, and they have very high quality meats. They've seen a huge acceleration on their online business, which has translated really well in the growth of their sales. Now, the Very Good Food Company is sitting at $400 million in market cap. However, let's not discount it, as they're growing very fast at over 500% year over year. The Very Good Food Company is really doing well at positioning themselves as a premium product in this fast-growing industry, so it's definitely a company that I think you should put on your watch list. Next on the list, we have the Good Nature Products. Now, Good Nature Products Inc. designs, produces, and distributes bioplastics for use in packaging and durable product applications in Canada and the US. Now, it offers packaging products for a wide array of different products, such as compostable takeout containers, recyclers and waste bins, deli and prepared meals, and really the list goes on. The application for this product is pretty expansive, as they're really trying to disrupt the whole entire plastic industry, as their application can be used for really anything that is held by plastic. Now, the company was formerly known as Soligear Bioplastic Technologies, and they changed their name to Good Nature Products in late 2017. Now, the company is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Now, the really exciting thing about this company is that the sustainable segment is a really big opportunity. Now, the sustainable segment of the consumer goods industry is set to be a $150 billion market in 2021 at 4 times the average industry growth rate. Sustainable goods account for over 22% of total store sales and are estimated to reach 25% this year. Now, this packaging market in the US is $1 trillion worldwide and is dominated by petroleum-based products. There's high fragmentation, and there's a clear need to replace these products with recyclable and eco-friendly packaging. Now, what's great to see is that they have really strong revenue growth and stable margins, as they've been growing over 30% every single year. And their 6-year compound annual growth rate is 153%. Now, if you guys are looking to get some exposure to this eco-friendly wave, then I think the Very Good Food Company could be a great stock to put on your watch list. And last up, we have Genasys, which is a critical communications company. They're the only unified platform with acoustic technology and mobile mass notification software for anyone, anywhere, anytime. They distribute clear, concise communications to keep operations running and to save lives during critical situations. Now, their critical communication systems are being used around the world in diverse applications, including public safety, national emergency warning systems, mass notification, defense, law enforcement, critical infrastructure protection, and many more applications. The more channels essential information is disseminated on, the more likely it is that people will receive it and rapidly act. Now, they created the acoustic hailing device, which is the first multi-directional mass notification system that projects sirens and audible voice messages with industry-leading vocal clarity and audible voice messages. So you can think whenever there's a national emergency, whenever you get a notification on your phone, that's used with Genasys technology. Now, they're seeing pretty strong growth in their annual bookings, around 25%, and with their annual backlog, they have around 52% growth. Now, from 2016 to 2020, they're seeing around 27% compound annual growth rate, so the company is still growing pretty healthily. Now, with them being the only public safety system that provides unified voice and digital communications in a single platform, I believe Genasys is a leader in this field, and they're going to take a majority market share of this whole entire growing industry. Now, Genasys is only sitting around $230 million in market cap, so it's going to be the smallest company on this list. Now, the price of sales is a little less than 6, and with a pretty healthy growth rate around 25%, I think Genasys could be a good pick for the long term. So guys, that was my breakdown of 5 exciting companies that are under $10 that are growing really fast. Now, I definitely understand if these stocks are a little too speculative for you, as they're only around $1 billion in market cap. However, if you guys are looking for more stable companies that are also growing really fast, I have another episode coming out later this week for you guys. Now, in that episode, every stock on the list is going to be growing over 100%. So they're all going to be high growers. Now, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you guys get updates right when I post that video. Now, I know the market has been really volatile in the past week. However, this could be a really good investment opportunity to start building positions in some of these stocks. I'm definitely going to be looking into these companies a little bit more and starting to build a position in some of them. With that, guys, thanks as always for sticking around. I'll see you in the next video, and let's go get that bag.